Hiya, I'm taking Marcia Sue back into Second Life. I'm doing this so that you can see the process of searching for a location a little bit more slowly. Now you can tell she's somewhere that you didn't expect her to be, and right now she's a cloud too. So we're just going to walk back up the street and go stand here in front of the virtual world's building. I'm using my arrow keys to zoom around, and I'm going to hold Alt and then use my rightmost arrow key so that you can see her from the front. That's one way to do that. You shouldn't be worried if you come into Second Life and things are not completely visible. We call that being rezzed. If you can see everything clearly, it's rezzed. If you're waiting for it to turn from gray to something with color, like you're waiting for the VWMOOC placard that's right behind Marcia Sue, that's normal. It has to do with your internet connection and your device that you're using. And also, if you find yourself being a little cloud, the way she was when we first saw her, that's also normal. You just wait a while and everything comes in and you can see it really clearly. So what I wanted to do here was to do a quicker video that focuses only on how to use search, so you can see this process a little more clearly than you did in the previous video that was just uploaded. So I'm going to click on the search icon, which is again this little looking glass, and just give it a one click. I'm going to take my mouse and move the dialog box over. And you'll see when it comes up, it has some things that are suggested: places, events, classifieds. These are classified ads that are telling you about places to go and to buy clothing or whatever, or music you might want to see, and so on. So this is what you've got on the page when it opens up. And it also has a destination guide and lands and rentals and all kinds of stuff. So what we want to find is a place. Oop, there we go. So I've clicked on place. And here, I'm going to put Virtual World MOOC, just like she did when she was on Social Island. And then you click on Search. And just as she was on Social Island, up comes two things. One is the Integrating Technology for Active Lifelong Learning. This was in the second position in the last video. And the other one is Virtual World's MOOC Displayland. That's actually across the street from where Marcia Sue is standing. So this is the one that we want to get to. So what you want to do is click on the names so that you can see the description. And now you know, yep, this is my classroom building. Yep, August 1st, yep, I can't wait to get into that class. And if you click on more information, what it does is it shows you the actual landmark. So this is the landmark. And it's got the picture of the building kind of in the dark. And then it's got the information about the course. And it shows you that the sim is general. There's three types of sims: general, moderate, and adult. And the Chilbo neighborhood is all general and moderate. So that's something to know. When you want to get there, you can either click on this landmark, since you clicked more info, it came up, on the teleport button, or you can actually click right here on the teleport button in search. Another thing is, if you decide to go and look at the map from search, just because you're curious, it will show you what the neighborhood looks like. And it'll show you where, in the red circle, this shows you where your location is that you want to go to. And this one again shows you a teleport button. And by clicking that teleport button, if you're far enough away, it will take you there immediately. So that's how you use search. Right now I can't click on teleport because she's literally standing in front of the building. So it will just, well, I'll show you. I think it will probably tell us that it's too short. Oh, it didn't. It moved us around over here. Well, that's kind of cool. So you can either be too close and you get an error message, or you can be you can be just far enough away that it pops you over to another spot. But that's what you want to do. So click on, when you're looking for a location, click on search, bring up the dialog box, put places in, if that's what you're looking for, and click there on that empty line, type in the name of the thing you're looking for, and it will give you a whole bunch of stuff. Now, all these other possibilities on this list are probably places that use virtual world in their name or in some of the materials that they have. For instance, this one says, what can a library become in a virtual world business, etc. So the very first one will have all the words that you put in, and then after that you'll get matches that are not quite as good. So I hope that helps and that you have no problem finding the building. Thanks.